Hey guys, it's Chris here at Buck Mountain Adventures. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see throughout the channel, we do various videos on how to fix things, to hotel reviews, to reviews on historical sites, or when we take trips, we take a review of show you guys around the place and tell you what it's all about and stuff like that. But today we're gonna go over how to change a lawnmower blade on a Husqvarna 24V48. This is my personal lawnmower. Yes, don't judge. It is it's dirty, but it gets used. So that's what happens when it gets used. It's a YTH 24V48 Husqvarna. It does run really good. But today, as you can see, we have a problem. And there is my problem here. As you can see, the lawnmower blade is bent. Not sure how it happened. Don't know. I just know it doesn't cut grass very well like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this blade. We're going to go over how we can change this blade, and we'll see what we can get into. Okay guys, so for full disclosure, I've never done this before, okay, on this type of lawnmower. So this is going to be an adventure for me and for you. So I will tell you, when I was a child, young man, that's been 40 years ago or more, I remember helping my grandfather change lawnmower blades on a snapper. Back then, on the back, you had two long poles that step up on each side, and you just pick the thing up on the front and lean it up on its back, and you change the blades that way. Now you can't do that. So you gotta have a lift or something to lift it up. You can't flip them over on their backs. So this is the best I got is ramps. I don't have a jack or anything, so we're gonna make do with that. I got my son with me today. He's gonna hold the camera, so hopefully the angles will be good. I'm not sure. I think this has got to come off here. I think this piece might have to come off. I'm not 100% sure, but we're gonna try and do it with a screwdriver right here and my wrench there with a 17 millimeter. I'm sure it's something else in English, but instead of metric, it could be a standard. But we're gonna try and see if that'll work. I'll let him hold the camera right there, and we'll get to it right here. There's just a nut underneath here. There's a nut right underneath there that holds the blade, and then we're gonna, you ain't gotta put that there, son. We're just gonna try and turn it. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Okay, I am able to turn the blade. There we go. So that works. So we just put a screwdriver in the top of the blade right here, and this is a 17 millimeter here. I'm sure there is a standard that will fit it, and we will just turn this, get this blade off right here. All right, so now we got the old blade off. As you can see, it is bent. Now when you buy lawnmower blades, make sure you get the right kind, because this one is a 5-star attachment. They do make a 6-star attachment, so make sure you get either the 5-star or 6-star, whichever one's compatible with your mower. I'm sorry, it's hot already. I've been out here 5 minutes and I'm wringing wet sweat. It's 100 degrees here in South Carolina. I just don't get it. So anyway, say it's a record hot year for everywhere, out west, everywhere. So when you buy these packs, you can buy them at your local hardware store. I got mine at a local hardware store in Pickens, South Carolina, called Bevins, and they sell them in 3 packs. Anywhere else you can get them at Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, Ace Hardware, places like that. And they all sell in 3 packs. Tractor Supply does sell one blade, but you have to order that one blade. So, and these blades, all 3 blades roughly cost $30. About $30 for all 3 blades, and one blade's $14, so it's a better deal just to go ahead and buy the 3-pack. Today we're just going to swap out. I think we're just going to swap the one blade. The other blades look pretty decent. The other thing is, you want to make sure you get the blades on correctly. That's a mistake that I've just made. I wasn't watching how the blade was on. I do know it was turned down like that. So the blade will go like this, where your cut part goes down. Sometimes you can get them mixed up real easy. At least I can anyway. Also, make sure you get the right blade. If it's a like I might have messed up myself. It says a mulching blade set, so this may be just for mulching. I might have messed up. It does have a blade on it. We're gonna see though. I mean, we're gonna see. I'm used to mulching. When you mulch, you know you're picking up leaves. Well, I'm trying to cut grass. I'm not trying to pick up leaves. But wait, we're gonna put it on here and we're gonna see if it works. If it works, I'm happy. If not, then I'll have to go get another type of blade. So we're just gonna put this back up in here and we're gonna get right back to it. Let's see. And it is the correct, let me get this in here. Let's make sure here. Well, I may not have the right size, guys. Oh, yes I do. Okay, again, it's that star. Make sure your stars are lined up when you put them in here. So you got the right. So we do have the right length. They're not touching. Let's see here. I'm gonna try and get them all facing in the right direction too. Just getting them lined up so those are right here. All right, so there's that. We're going to turn it. Yeah, let's see here. I work it. It's hard when you're blind too. There we go. All right, I guess it's not going to matter that they're not completely lined up. So if you want to change the one in the middle, because this does have three, you guess you would have to get a jack to get up front and jack it a little bit higher so you can crawl underneath there to get it, because it is a good distance of, I have no way of taking it off without jacking up the front here, from what I'm looking at. So that's not a good thing. Just there we go. And so we'll turn this away. Yeah, there it is. And that's it. All right, so there we go. We got the lawnmower blade, the new blade on there. So this is a very simple, easy task, not hard at all. I hope this video helped you. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You never know what I'm going to post next. You never know. Matter of fact, I do have a hotel review coming up soon. Have a great day, guys. It's hot here in Pickens, South Carolina, man. I'm burning up. As you see, I've been out here maybe 10 minutes. That took maybe 10 minutes to do, so it's a fast thing to do. And I'm burning up already, and I'm tired. Man, the heat gets to me. Heat gets to old folks. Hey, but hey, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining me here on Buck Mountain Adventures. Again, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys on the next adventure.